great day or night whenever you are watching this. So I am here for an install video. I do have this wig here that I was sent from Supernova Hair. They sent me out. I know it's a body wave texture. It is 180% density. It does have a total of 3 combs. It has 2 here at the top, 1 at the bottom, and then it does have the adjustable bands. I'm gonna go ahead and put my adjustable bands in place so it can fit just right on my head. I did go ahead off camera and flat iron this hair just to save time, and I also went ahead and set my baby hairs. I am in a rush today, so yeah, if you are in a rush when putting on your wigs and you need your wig to be like ready to go, you can go ahead on and style it, of course, off of your head, on your mannequin head, and you can even go ahead and set your baby hairs and just cut around. I'm sorry I did not show you all how to do that, but if you all want to see how to cut your wig like after you place your baby hairs, let me know down below and I'll be sure to do that in another video. Yeah, I'm just gonna apply this. I think I'm gonna use bed head today to apply my wig. I'm gonna go ahead and do the basics, what I always do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right to it. I'm gonna shut my mouth. Yeah.
Switching lanes, big game in my new drop. Still on the paper chase that don't never stop. Everybody with me, family, that's how we rock. Party at the mansion, we bout to flood the spot. Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shawty praise. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave. Super easy, especially with the spray. Cutting it with the baby hairs on and stuff. Like, for example, when I send my wigs out, my custom wig units for my clients,
I of course do the baby hairs if they request baby hairs. So whenever I send the wig, it's pretty much ready to go. All you have to do is cut the lace and you're good to go. So putting it on, the baby hairs will be in place. You hardly have to do anything. Just put it on and then just adjust as needed. This is a good way to show my clients, like, y'all can have like the whole entire look. You don't have to take much at all to get that look. You don't have to go in and mess up anything. You get that look right. Cheers, okay? So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna just comb out everything so it's not too hard. This is a good way to do your wigs if you have a hard time doing your baby hairs on yourself. If you love baby hairs and you have a hard time doing your baby hairs on yourself, but you want that look, you can just go ahead and set them on your wig. And then just cut the lace and then just apply it like this and you're good to go. Boom, just, you know, comb out the excess spray. Just as I always do, I am going to take my powder. It doesn't look bad, but I am going to take my powder just to further help my lace blend with my skin. Okay, so I really don't have to go in and mess with my baby hairs, but y'all know me, I'm gonna just go in a little bit, just a little bit, and touch some of them up. I'm just using my Eco Salad Gel. Sideburn here, do a little something right here. I'm gonna take my Care wax stick, put it on my hairline, press my hairline out with my hot comb. I'm feeling like Pocahontas, huh? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Okay. As y'all can see, this part is like pretty crisp. Like, I really don't need to put anything in it, but I'm going to be extra. I'm gonna just put some of my concealer in my part. I've been liking putting the concealer in the part because, I don't know, it just gets a more crisper look. And I use like a very small little, I think it's a small concealer brush. You do not need much. Press it in. Dang! Ooh, this thing's so flat, y'all. Your wigs must be on flat, flat. Flat, flat, period. Y'all, I may need to do my wigs like this all the time. I mean, just go ahead and do your baby hairs because your baby hair is going to be extra fleeky. Well, for me, because I know I have a hard time, I feel like, doing my baby hairs on myself. So, doing them like this, having them already done and then put your wig on, it saves a lot of time. And then too, one thing I do like is with me going ahead and doing my baby hairs, I don't have to worry about lifting or like messing up the install process. Once I put my wig on, it's not going to lift. Like I can just go in and touch up my baby hairs as needed, and then that's it. I don't have to like go in heavy-handed with gel, because I like to use gel. But if you're using foam wrap mousse or gel, you don't have to worry about being too heavy-handed to get your baby hairs to mold down. They're already done. You just go in and touch up if needed. I'm just so mad that I did not show y'all how I cut my lace. If y'all want to see me cut the lace next time, like do it this way again and just show y'all how to cut the lace with the baby hairs attached if you have a hard time with it. Because it's really not hard. You just push your baby hairs back and cut. I cut as close to my hairline as possible. I took my baby hair brush and just pushed the hairs back. And as I was doing that, I took my, I used my little manicure scissors and just cut. You know, of course, don't cut straight across, but just nip it. And, yeah. And that's it. Okay, to finish my install off, y'all, so I can go, because I am running behind. To finish it all off, I'm going to take my Chi Silk Infusion and just put it all throughout my hair. This hair is super silky. I love it. This press came out really, really good. But yeah, y'all, I am done. I ain't gonna keep messing with it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Lace is nice and thin enough. You know, it's not HG lace or anything. It's got me saying what lace. But yeah, I love this wig. I don't have too much to say about it. No major cons. I did bleach my knots and I did go in and pluck the hairline. It did come pre-plucked, but I went in and plucked it more to my liking, and I went in to pluck it to match my hairline a little bit more because y'all know I have a smaller hairline. I'm gonna get out of here. It's 12:34, I gotta go. So I thank y'all so much for watching this video. Any questions, comments, or concerns for me, go ahead and drop them down below. I will get to you all as soon as I can. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Talk to you guys in my next video. Love y'all so much. Bye.